Hello, students. I am Ms. Radhika Sahu, Assistant Professor of Psychology at Sage University, Bhopal. So, today's lecture is all about social psychology, its concept and background. So, why we study social psychology? What do you study in social psychology? Social psychology is a discipline which studies how we behave in as an individual and how we interact with people, how we perceive others' behavior, how a person makes a bond with another person. So, the belief, the thinking patterns, the behavior, the feelings and emotions related to others and with others and of others, the perception about others, this is all which is all the concepts which is studied under social psychology. So basically social psychology is all about कि how you behave, आप कैसे behave कर रहे हो दूसरों के साथ में, दूसरे कैसे behave कर रहे हैं आपके साथ में, और उस behavior को आप कैसे perceive कर रहे हो. So this is the basic and the logical concept about social psychology, and this is how it was developed. For example, a research helps us understand how people form attitude towards others and when these are harmful. हमें ये पता चलता है कि कौन से प्रेजुडाइसेस, कौन से स्टीरियोटाइप्स हमारी सोसाइटी में फ्लो हो रहे हैं, स्टीरियोटाइप्स कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं अबाउट दूसरे ग्रुप्स. सो दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर social psychology discipline. Okay, so Aristotle believed that humans were naturally sociable. सो ये दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फिलोसफर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि एरिस्टोटल ने क्या कहा था. एरिस्टोटल एंड प्लेटो वर लाइक दैट ह्यूमंस आर नेचुरली सोशलेबल, कि उनने कहा कि हम जेनेटिकली सोशलेबल हैं. Plato felt that the state controlled the individual and increased social responsibility through social context. So इनने ये बोला कि हमें सोसाइटी में सोशल होना ही पड़ता है एंड दिस इज अवर बेसिक नीड. सो एरिस्टोटल एंड प्लेटो की थ्योरी यही बात करती है. And when we go in depth in the field of social psychology, हमें ये समझ आता है कि कर्ट लेविन ने जो बात की थी अबाउट different theories and different concepts कि we are also biopsychosocial beings. So being social and studying social behavior is a need of the hour. Okay, there is some disagreement about the first two experiments. So basically पहले भी बहुत सारे experiments हो चुके हैं. Kurt Lewin is known as the father of modern social psychology. Triplet applied experimental method on cyclists and school children and how the presence of other influence overall performance. And you know, when there are a lot of people, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस में डिफरेंस आता है. वो डिफरेंस अच्छा भी हो सकता है, वो डिफरेंस खराब भी हो सकता है. वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा भी कर सकती है और वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को खराब भी कर सकती है. So which means that there is some influence of people on your performance. So this study was done by Triplet. So that's how this discipline evolved, and many researches have been done under the social psychology context, like study of conformity, social norms, and social acceptance, compliance, and ash experiment is very much known for the experiment as an experiment of conformity. Thank you so much. This is all for today's lecture. See you next time.